Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN. And on today's recipe, we're going to have my easy and delicious sub pepperoni pizza. But before I get to that, you know I got to have my co-host, Pineapple Patty. Let's taste it and see how good she tastes.
Delicious.
Oh my goodness. Woo! Hocus Pocus Pineapple Patty is doing the most. Yes! And then today I have in Pineapple Patty berry lemonade sun kiss. And it's so good. And now let's get to your ingredients. You're going to need black pepper, Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, bell peppers and onions. You're going to need sub sandwich bread. You're going to need pepperonis. You're going to need your pizza sauce, mozzarella provolone cheese, and sharp cheddar cheese. And when I get everything ready, I'll be back. And now I'm about to put this sub pizza bread together. First, what you want to do, you want to get your pizza sauce, and you want to spread it on your bread just like that. Spread it on your bread just like that. Don't be shy. You don't want no dry pizza. You want a good old moist pizza. That's what you want. You want to go on and do it like this. Probably going to need some more. Don't want no dry pizza. Don't nobody want no dry pizza. Put your pizza sauce on there. Just like that. Spread it out everywhere. Make sure you get all over the bread. Just like that. Make sure you get all over the bread. And then I'll make you. Alright. And now what you want to do, you want to put your cheese on here next. Put your cheese on here, just like that. Put as much of cheese you want on there. And you won't be extra charged like the pizza places try to extra charge you for your pizza. That's why it's good to do your own pizza at home. That way you get as much as you want on there. You got to worry about getting extra charge. All that kind of stuff. Put it on there like that. Looks good already. Yep. Then you want to put your pepperonis on there. Don't be shy. Put them pepperonis on there. That's your pizza. Put it on there. Oh yes. I'm going to make this one for you. And the other one I'm going to do off camera. But yeah, y'all going to make your pizza, baby. Make it. Treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. Treat yourself. That's what you're best to do. Because ain't nobody else going to treat you. Best believe that. Now, you get your onions. Put your onions on there. If you like onions, put them on there. If you don't like onions, you don't have to use them. That's up to you. Set them on there. Just like that. Just like that. If you want bell pepper, put your bell pepper on there. Don't be scared to decorate your pizza. This is your pizza. Look at that. It looks so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. And when our pizza gets done, I'll be back to show you the finished product. Now, I've baked my pizza bread on 400 degrees for 10 minutes only. Okay? And make sure your hands are super duper clean now. And this is the final product of my easy and delicious sub pepperoni pizza bread. Look at it, y'all. It looks good. It smells good. And I know it's going to taste good. And if you want more Easy Cooking with JUAN, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe and tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly.